Hey campers and outdoor enthusiasts, meet the Flame King Gas Hauler Pro Kit, your perfect companion for adventures. This bundle includes a 10-pound refillable propane tank, a 5-foot steel braided hose, and an insulated protective carrying case. The gas hauler case safeguards your propane tank during boating, fishing, RVing, or tailgating trips. It features safety vent holes to allow breathing if the pressure relief valve releases propane. Measuring 10 by 18 inches and weighing just 1.72 pounds empty, it's lightweight and fits Flame King 5-pound tanks perfectly. Plus, the Molle webbing lets you carry it easily and attach accessories securely. Stay safe and prepared on every outdoor journey with this convenient kit. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.